Hi guys, today I have updated my EA plus Light EA. So yeah, I will do the back testing for you to see the performance. But before I do that, let me show you what is the setup available in the EA, right? Okay, so previous version you only have the option to lot increase only, but in this version I included the option where you can choose whether you want to trade with lot size or using lot increasement or use lot multiplier. Okay, so in this new version I include the option so that you can choose lot sizing method, right? And because I understand that using lot increase or lot multiplier would take a lot more risk, so if you want to have low risk you may set up to fixed lot size, right? So beside the lot sizing and the grid, you can also define the profit target. Okay, let's say you want to have $50 daily, you just put to like a profit target to daily, and you set up the maximum profit. And you also can set up the loss target. You don't want to lose, let's say you don't want to lose more than $50. Yeah, but because this is a grid, so there's no point, right? This is a grid EA, so there's no point to set up the loss target. And also you can set up the schedule as well. You can see, yeah, maybe you want to run it on stock index, market index, then you can set up the time so that EA can start on New York session only. Yeah, but for gold you can literally can set up from the Asian session, right? So in this case, because I'm using XNET server, so I'm starting from the new day, which is 0 hour, right? So this is a feature that available in my EA fast light EA. Okay, so let's see the backtest together. Okay, so in this case I will try to do backtest with $1,000 capital, and yeah, with default setup, which is fixed lot size only, right? And daily target is $50, which is 5%, right? Okay, so let's see how it works. Yeah, let's go. So currently we have drawdown like 5% only, because we set up a fixed lot size. So the drawdown is not it's not higher, like it's not high as like the other option. I mean, I'm sorry. Yeah. So if you don't want, if you are not greedy, you may just set up target, daily target with 1%, right? For example, that your capital is $1,000, you just set up $10 per day. It's more than it's too much already for trading, and your account will not exposed to sometime market will not go smooth as we want, right? So you get 1% and then get out of the market and live your life. But if you are a little bit greedy, you want more than that, yes, for sure this EA can generate that. So right now we gain 4% already for the first day. Yeah, now the target reached. Yeah, so 5% within a day is possible with this EA. But for this new version, I only update. update the option, include the option where you can set up fixed lot size or increase, because I understand that fixed lot size is much safer than the lot increase and lot multiplier. So for you, if you have small capital, small account, you still can use this EA and still can get profit. Okay, so once again, if you have anything to add into my EA, just let me know in the comment. I will be happy to read and respond. Thank you, guys.